Hey guys, and welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I'm going to show you guys a quick tutorial on how to do these Gel X nails. These are going to be Gel X nails with encapsulated glitter. Really fun, pink, cute design. These are going to be short nails. So if you guys are interested in these short Gel X nails, then just keep on watching. So right now what I'm doing is I clean my nail with rubbing alcohol to get off all the oils and dirts from my natural nail. Then I went over with a fine sanding band, pushed back my cuticles, clean them again, and then I applied this Gel Elixir base gel, and then I'm going to cure this in the lamp for 30 seconds. I am going to be applying the Gel X nails today with polygel. The polygel that I'm using is from 2B Glam. They have really good HEMA-free polygel, so if you guys are looking for a HEMA-free polygel, I highly recommend them. And I'm applying just a little bit into the inside of the full cover Gel X nail tips. Now, I did go in and I rubbed the nail bed area of the Gel X nail tips with some acetone. You do need to prep the inside of the Gel X nails. You can either sand them down a little bit with an e-file and a sanding band. You can apply primer to the air underneath, or you can go in with some acetone. You just want to melt that gel a little bit. It helps with adhesion. So I am doing this to all the nails. I measured out all of the nails to properly fit my nails from sidewall to sidewall, and then I am going down in a rocking motion, starting a little bit above the cuticle area and pressing down towards the tip until you can feel that the polygel is completely adhered to your nail. Now, something that I would recommend that I did not do here is after you apply the polygel to the underside of the nail, I would take a brush and just flatten it out a little bit to get from all sides of the underneath end of the nail, because I just had problems when I was pressing down. It was not getting completely from sidewall to sidewall, and it was getting a little bit messy. So I would, after you apply the polygel, a little dollop to the underside of the nail, take a brush and just press out about the amount that your natural nail is. It'll help a lot, and you won't get spillage like I did there. So if I was going to do these again, I recommend to do that. But yeah, these are really easy to do. They're still on my hands. They're really functional because they're like short. They're almond, super cute. And I'm going to show you guys how I put chunky glitters on here. It's a really adorable, cute pink set. Yeah, so you guys can see me doing this to all of the nails. And then you want to make sure that it hits the tip. Like when you place it on your nail, you want to make sure that it is completely covering the side walls, and the gel is moving past your tip, if that makes sense, the tip of the nail. So you guys can see I'm pressing it there, making sure that it is getting the side walls and the tip. When everything looks good, you can go in and cure that. You can also cure in between if you would like to. I gave these a full 30-second cure. And then I did go over and clean these nails with acetone. It just melts the top of the surface a little bit. It kind of roughens it up, so it makes it easier to apply gel polishes. So I did go in again with the Gel Elixir base gel. You can use any base gel that you want. This is an old brush, and I'm just using it to pick up this beautiful chunky glitter. I actually forgot where I got this glitter from. I am so sorry, you guys. But if you look up like pink, matte, and gold glitter, you should be able to find something similar. It is an absolutely beautiful glitter. I'm obsessed with it. It's super girly and gorgeous. So I love this. So this is chunky glitter, and what I'm doing is I place this into the wet base gel. And then I want to make sure that I apply the chunky parts in the middle of the nail and the not so chunky parts on the sides of the nail. And then I take my finger and I kind of just press in any edges that are sticking out into the nail. It's okay if it's not perfect because we're going to go over it, but that will help a lot. So now I'm doing a French nail design. This pink, I believe, is from Nail Reserve. Yeah, but any pink gel polish will work, you guys. You can also use regular gel polish if you want. The line does not need to be perfect because I am going to be going over that with the chunky glitter. So we're doing like a chunky glitter French. So I cure this, and then I'm going to do another layer, and then into that wet layer of gel, I am applying the chunky glitter. Again, make sure that you try to lay the glitter as flat as possible. Get the chunkier pieces in the middle, and the less chunkier pieces not on the edge of the nail so that they won't stick out. And I'm going to be showing you guys how I kind of encapsulate this with top coat. But yeah, it'll just be easier when you're doing chunky glitter designs to do it that way. You guys can see I'm using the same liner brush just because I couldn't find the other one at the moment, and I had this one in my hand. So I'm picking up the glitters and I am placing it into the wet gel. And then I also use this other glitter. This is a glitter from Amazon. It's like a really fine circular pink holographic glitter. I just thought it would give it more dimension to the nail using this as well as the chunky pink glitter. I really like this, and you guys see, because we used a colored polygel underneath, we already have that French base for us. If you guys want to paint over a color and then do the French in a different color, you can also do that, but I like the color of the polygel that I used underneath for the nail bed. So now for this one, I'm painting the full nail in this pink gel polish, and then I am going to do a design with the glitter, the fine hexy glitter. I'm going to do that on the middle finger here. So yeah, I think it was really easy to do this set. They're really cute, functional, girly pink glitter nails, and I'm going to show you guys how to kind of encapsulate them to make sure that the glitters are smooth. I didn't capture the full thing on camera, but I will explain to you guys as I go. I am doing another French glitter nail on this one, so I just paint the tip and then I go in and draw those two sidelines. Now this doesn't need to be perfect because you are going in with that chunky glitter, so it doesn't need to be perfect. I'm going with the chunky glitter on top before I cure it in the lamp. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to give this a quick cure, and then I go in with the second coat of the gel polish. This is totally optional and up to you if you guys want to do 2 coats or 1 coat. I just thought 2 coats would be prettier with this set, and then I am going to do a design into the wet gel polish on the middle finger. And as I told you guys before with the glitter nails, what I did was I went in with a thin top coat. A thinner consistency top coat, so any thin consistency top coat you have, I went over that and I really worked the brush in between the grooves of the glitter. I gave that a full cure, and then I went in with a thicker top coat. No, I cured the thin top coat, yeah, then I went in with another layer of the thin top coat and then cured that, and then I went over the nails with the buffer and I just buffed, so any pieces of glitter that were sticking out, they got fixed and it was all buffed and ready to go. Then I cleaned that with some rubbing alcohol, and then I went in with a thicker gel polish top coat. Beetles has a really good one, and I focused the majority of the gel top coat in the middle of the nail. I cured that, and then they were perfect and ready to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick, easy, short Gel X nail design. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I just finished curing these off, and then I applied some rhinestones, and yeah, that's it for today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this nail tutorial, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.